I've been using the Sachtler Flowtech tripod for almost 2 years now, and it really is a game changer. The legs can be adjusted really quickly, and the design allows you to easily position your camera very high, very low, or anywhere in between. The carbon fibre composition means that the tripod is incredibly strong and durable, but also very light too, meaning it's perfect for whether you're indoors or out in remote locations. It's light to carry and can withstand extreme conditions. Since the tripod was released, there's been a number of accessories created for it too, such as the dolly and the carry handle, both of which are items that you don't realise how much you need until you actually have them. Quite simply, I don't know what we did before we had the Flowtech, and whatever the shoot is, it's a bit of kit that I don't want to be without.